Importance of animal. Number 1. Balance in nature. Animals play a crucial role in maintaining balance in nature. Imagine a big puzzle. Each animal is like a piece. And when they are in the right place, the puzzle looks perfect. For example, predators help control the number of other animals. Like herbivores, by hunting them, this prevents one species from becoming too many and helps keep the environment in harmony. Number 2. Helping plants grow. Animals are like nature's gardeners. Some animals, especially birds and insects, help plants grow by spreading their seeds. When they eat fruits or nuts, they might drop seeds in different places through their droppings. This helps new plants grow. In different areas, contributing to a healthy and diverse environment. Number 3. Cleaning up. In the ocean, there are fish and other creatures that act like underwater janitors. They eat the remains of dead animals and plants, keeping the water clean. Without them, the water could become messy and unhealthy for others. Marine life. It's like having a team of cleaners to make sure everything stays in good shape. Number 4. Food for humans. Animals provide us with essential resources. Like food, we get meat from some animals and milk from others. These are important parts of our diet that give us the energy and nutrients we need to stay healthy. So, animals are not just our neighbors in nature, they also contribute to our well-being. Number 5. Ecosystem diversity. Every animal has its own role in the story of nature, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. They create a diverse and fascinating world. This diversity makes our planet interesting and beautiful. Imagine a world with only one kind of animal. It would be like having a story with only one character. It's the mix of different animals that makes Earth so amazing. Number 6. Emotional connections. Animals are not just important for what they do, they also bring joy and companionship. Many people have pets, like dogs or cats, that become part of their families. These animals provide love and happiness, showing us that the bond between humans and animals goes beyond practical benefits. Number 7. Respecting their homes. Animals have homes and families, just like us. It's important to respect their spaces and not harm them. When we take care of the environment and protect animals, we are also ensuring a better future for ourselves. We share this planet, and by treating animals with kindness, we contribute to a healthier and happier world for everyone. In simple terms, animals are like nature's partners. They contribute to the big picture of life, making our world a more colorful, balanced, and wonderful place to live.